There are mainly two different types of graphics. One is a vector graphic and the other one is a raster graphic. The differences between the two: vector graphics are actually shapes, a collection of shapes put together, and you can scale them infinitely without any loss of resolution. The other type of graphic is a raster graphic. Those are most commonly used from digital cameras or any image that you see online. The problem is they may look pixelated. So the only way they're going to look good is if they're a smaller shape. So if we're doing print design and we want to have using a raster graphic, but we want it to look proper, this is a great example here. It's a logo that we want to have nice and crisp. We're going to have to convert that raster graphic into a vector shape. The way to do that is to, let's go back here. I'm going to go back into Illustrator. I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to grab the original logo file. This is a PNG image. Pop that onto the Illustrator document, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Now again, this is still a raster graphic. I just brought it into Illustrator. It's still pixelated. If we zoom in, you can still see the pixelation going on here. But I want to convert this to a vector shape. Notice that when I select this image, the image trace option is up here. I'm going to select that arrow, and I'm going to select 6 colors because it has it has about 3 colors in it, but I just want to make sure that every variant is covered. Now when I do that, then I can click the expand button, and that converts the raster graphic into a vector shape. So each one of these letters and these lines here is now a shape. And I can then use the selection tool, just a demonstration here, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Notice that now we have all of these points and pads that create the shape. It's no longer a raster graphic. I can modify these if I wanted to. Bring this up, and you can control the image that way if you wanted to make any modifications or changes. Or you can just keep it as is, which was probably the way we're going to do it. Do here a couple things. There we go. We can use it now. We can use this image in our print design. It's going to be nice and crisp without any loss of resolution, no matter how big you make it. So that's an example of vector shapes versus raster graphics.